Most of us are aware of the different charts in Excel. But today we learn to create this in cell chart using a text function. In column C, we have sales data. These are randomly generated using Excel's ran function. Notice how the figures change as we refresh the data. Can you guess the function used to do this? We use the rept function for this. What this does is repeat some data x number of times. So, we type rept. In the text we provide the symbol that we want to repeat, the $sign in this case. Remember to keep this within quotes. The number of times to repeat is the sales data that we have. We can use different symbols here. Congratulations, you made an in-cell chart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.